Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin Shikha, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take home science class for the students of class 6 on the topic of chapter 13, Creative Question Answer 2. I am repeating, today I am going to take home science class on the topic of Chapter 13, Creative Question Answer 2. Students, this is our 15th lecture and 15th homework. I am repeating, this is our 15th lecture and 15th homework. Students, take your home science book, notebook and writing elements. First, we'll discuss about creative question answer 2, and after that you have to pick the answers in your notebook. So let's begin. Creative question answer 2 from chapter 13. Students, here is our stem, and the stem shows the pictures. In first picture we find cotton cloth. In first picture, that means in picture A, we find the picture of cotton cloth, and in picture B, this is the picture of flax fiber. Okay, now you have to give answers of these questions. Our first question is, how many types of textile fibers are there according to their sources? I'm repeating the question, how many types of textile fibers are there according to their sources? The answer is, according to the source of fiber, they can be divided into two types. I'm repeating the answer, according to the source of fiber, they can be divided into two types. Now come to question number B. What do you mean by artificial fiber? I'm repeating the question. What do you mean by artificial fiber? The answer is by mixing chemicals with natural fibers, or just with chemicals, many fibers are made. I'm repeating, by mixing chemicals with natural fibers, or just with chemicals, many fibers are made. These are artificial fibers, and for example we can say rayon, nylon, etc. Students, in the summary we have discussed that there are two types of fibers. One is natural fiber and another is artificial fiber, and we find artificial fiber by mixing with chemicals or with natural fibers. Okay, now come to question number C. Explain why people mostly use the fiber shown at picture A. I'm repeating the question. Explain why people mostly use the fiber shown at picture A. That means in this picture, what is this? This is the picture of cotton cloth. So you have to explain why people mostly use cotton cloths. Here is our answer. People mostly use the fiber shown in picture A because cotton cloth is made from cotton fiber. It is popular among people because it is strong and becomes stronger when it is in wet condition. Heat can pass through the fiber easily and it has good absorption capabilities. So it can be used in all seasons. It is easy to take care of cotton fibers and it is comparatively cheap. So cotton fibers is used more. So here we find why people use cotton fabrics or fibers. This is very easy because heat can pass through this fiber, and this is very strength when it is wet, and we can use this type of cloths all the seasons. So that's why people use this very much. So cotton fabrics is used more. Now come to question number D. Write the similarities you can find in the fibers at picture A and B. I am repeating the question. Write the similarities you can find in the fibers at picture A and B. Okay, look. You have to compare, you have to write the similarities between picture A and B, and we have written the answer here. In picture A and B, both fibers are respectively cotton and flax fiber. There are similarities in the fibers. Those are cotton fiber is strong enough and becomes stronger in wet conditions. Flax fiber is strong and becomes more strong when it gets wet as well. Heat can pass easily through flax fiber and cotton fiber. Both fibers are comfortable to wear during warm weather. Cotton is comparatively cheaper, so besides making dresses, it is also used as a household fabric. Flax fiber fabric is also used for household purposes and its price is comparatively less too. Both types of fiber are being used to make casual dresses. I hope students you have understood the answers of these questions. Now I am giving your homework. Your homework will be creative question answer C from 2. I am repeating, your homework will be creative question answer C from 2. And don't forget to write the lecture number and homework number with the submission date. Our lecture number is 15 and homework number is also 15. And the submission date will be the date of Sunday, because on every Sunday you have to submit your SW copies. Students, do your homework in your SW copy. Guardians or anyone else can submit your SW copies on every Sunday and can collect your previous copies on next Sunday. You need to be serious because you will get your CT, diary and SPA marks on the basis of the submission of your SW copies. That's all for today. Hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. Stay well and see you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.